Today, I'm going to briefly explain the possibility of the application of mRNA vaccine as an anti-cancer treatment. In the 2020 corona pandemic situation, the mRNA vaccine platform was developed at a remarkable speed in vaccine history, and it was applied clinically within only 1 year. So how could this be possible? mRNA vaccine can be produced at a very high speed compared with a traditional vaccine because all production process occurs chemically. There is some specific characteristics of mRNA vaccine in here. This is a process of the production on mRNA vaccines. The most important thing to make an mRNA drug is to obtain an mRNA platform that can express the target gene and lipid nanoparticle for delivery. Actually, lipid nanoparticle is composed of 4 lipids, and among them, the ionizable lipid is particularly important. Our research team already has our own mRNA expression platform and our own lipid nanoparticle. Now we apply them to target various diseases. One of them, I would like to introduce one of our research projects. As you can see, basically, mostly cervical cancer caused by HPV infection. Especially, you can see here, approximately 70% of cervical cancer is caused by HPV 16 and 18 types. So, as for the prophylactic vaccine, virus-like particle using the L1 gene has already been licensed, but the price is very high. So the vaccination rate in low and middle-income countries is very low. However, the therapeutic vaccine uses the E6 and E7 gene, which can cause cancer. Most women infected with the HPV type 16 and 18 developed cancer over time as they age. This cancer is the world's second leading cause of cancer deaths in women, but there is no specific treatment for cervical cancer yet. So the therapeutic drug must be urgently developed. To eliminate cervical cancer, WHO has set up a 90-70-90 global target strategy. This is the goal of a high vaccination and diagnosis and the medical treatment rate. In particularly low and middle income countries, the HPV vaccination rate is much lower compared with developed countries. And the cancer management service rate is also very low. So we decided to take this challenge and constructed an mRNA platform expressing E6 and E7 gene of HPV 16 and 18 types. This mRNA vaccine could eliminate the cancer by increasing the infiltrated T cell and NK cell in tumor. And it showed the protection against cancer re-challenge even the 62 days after the vaccination. Moreover, it showed the protection against the cancer even the 60 days after the immunization, and recent research showed the protection for up to 150 days. These are all findings showed that this mRNA HPV vaccine can be used not only for the treatment of cancer patients, but also for the prevention of the cancer in the woman infected with high-risk HPV types. Recently, we obtained some data that confirmed that this mRNA vaccine induced the HPV-specific T-cell response in a macaque monkey. So it has a high potential for the successful application to human beings. So we designed this project. Title is produced development of an affordable prophylactic and therapeutic mRNA vaccine for HPV-derived cancer in low and middle-income countries. The final goal for this project is that we want to contribute to the WHO effort for cervical cancer elimination in low and middle-income countries. Actually, our short-term goal is we want to compound the safety and efficacy of this mRNA vaccine. And we also developed the mass production process for the mRNA vaccine. Thank you for your attention.